I'm back in the kitchen again with Chef Ricardo. This is my juice bar channel, guys. An amazing recipe I want to share with you where you can have joy in this summer. Alright, if you wake up in the morning, you can have such a nice, beautiful, simple recipe like this. All you need to do is to make sure you drink a hot cup of lemon tea or lime tea, and after you dig into this fruits salad with low fat yogurt. Stay tuned with Chef Ricardo. Don't go anywhere. It's a beautiful recipe. 100% you guys will love this one. So thank you for tuning in with the show, and don't go anywhere. Subscribe, click on the notification bell, go over to my Instagram where most of my posts are, and you see a lot more. I'm going to share this wonderful recipe with you. It's going to be a mango passion fruits low fat yogurt fruits in the morning for breakfast. Alright, so if you wake up in the morning, this is what you can do. Get yourself some strawberry and blueberry, grape, and all these things. Alright, got ripe banana, quite a few fruits there. Make sure you wash off your fruits. It's very important. Alright, this morning breakfast is going to be different from every other else morning. Now I have some, this is some fat free yogurt, passion fruits. Amazing. So if you're at the supermarket, wherever you are, you know what I mean, and you feel like to get something different, here is something where you can get mango passion fruits. It's an amazing recipe. I love it, and there's a low fat one. So I got some yogurt, got 2, 3, 4 tablespoons. I'm gonna put the rest of the fruits. There's something different what you can do in the morning, guys, honestly, and this is a lovely recipe for you. Alright, so you're on the road, this is something what you can get to do. Got out some ripe banana. Put a little bit more. Yep, that's one. And let's finish it off with some strawberry. Some grape. And some blueberry. It's a lovely recipe, honestly. I did quite a few videos on this one, honestly, because it's just amazing. Secondly, also I have some seeds. That's mixed seeds right here. Got pumpkin seed. You got all different kind of seeds in it. Very healthy. So this is what you want to do in the morning, you know, for breakfast. As you can see, then I got some superfood chia seed. Let's put a little bit, not much, guys. Yep. As you can see, guys, that is amazing. Look at that, beautiful, lovely, and nice. All right, amazing. Look at that, beautiful, simple and lovely and nice. Okay, so once you do this, not only that, I have more ingredients which I want to share with you, things that you can also do at home in your kitchen. All right, so let's put this aside, and I'm going to get 2 buckets of water. And I'm going to get a lemon. If you have lime, you can use it. But this time, what I'm going to do is I'm gonna simple show you exactly what I'm gonna do. This time, I'm gonna be using apple cider vinegar this time. All right, so I'm gonna put roughly about a teaspoon. But all right, and then I'm gonna get some lime or lemon, put a 2 lovely slice in it. And you can drink this right straight through the day, guys. Honestly, this is amazing. A recipe which you can do in summer, in this kind of hot weather. All right, that's it. That is amazing, beautiful, fantastic, nice and lovely. This one, you can drink it right straight through the day, and you can eat this for lunch, you can have it for breakfast, whatever you want. All right, thank you for watching Chef Ricardo show. We got a lot more recipes, a lot more ideas will be coming from Chef Ricardo team, and I will definitely see you next time in the kitchen with more recipes. Bye bye.